Welcome to the TBS Get Paid web portal. In this video, we'll show you how to view your customer list and how to check credit. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, click on the Customers tab at the top of your screen to be taken to your list of current customers. You can also search for a customer by using the search bar at the top of the right-hand corner of your screen. On the Customers tab, you'll see a list of all of your current customers. You can search for a customer by their name or MC number from the search bar below My Customers. You can also sort your customers by clicking the column headers. Clicking a customer's name will take you to that customer's detail page. Here you can see their contact details, how much credit they have available and their credit limit, your AR balance with this customer, any invoices you have 60 days past due with a customer, a graph of your monthly factoring totals, and your aging report at the bottom. There are two quick action buttons on this page. First, the Create Invoice button allows you to create a new invoice with this customer. Their details will be automatically inserted into the invoice. The second quick action button is the Credit Request button beneath the customer's icon and address. Clicking this button will take you to the credit request screen and will have already auto-populated the customer's information for you. To request additional credit for a customer, you can click the Credit Request button from that customer's detailed page, or you can click Credit Request on the left-hand sidebar. You can also click Check Credit from your dashboard. Once you've selected your customer, input the additional amount of credit that you need and click Submit Request. Depending on the customer, we may be able to pre-approve a certain amount. Otherwise, the request goes into our credit team for review. You'll be notified whether the credit increase was approved or not. To check credit on a new customer, enter their MC number or name on the credit request page. If we already have details on the customer, you'll see their name on the drop-down. If we do not have any information on the customer, you'll need to provide us with some additional information, such as the name of the company and how much credit you need. If TBS has worked with your customer before, you may be automatically pre-approved for a certain amount. If so, you'll see that information when you click Submit Request. The TBS Get Paid web portal is not only the easiest, but also the smartest way to access, manage, and track your factoring business with TBS.